watching this on TikTok. I'm about to hop NASCAR, including Leo's head, yeah.
What do we got going on?
Oh no, hey this, look, virtual reality, TikTok to YouTube, YouTube to TikTok.
Oh, Utah, oh boy.
Hey,
We're
pause
going.
real quick so they can hear on the video, docs. I gotta let people know what's going on for the YouTube video. I need a haircut. Okay, so this is our,
Is that what you needed?
technically speaking, this is our third open house, but fourth meet we've had, because the first one was the S Chassis Skyline meet we did, which was a great success, which led to these. This time we're gonna have a barbecue food truck, raffles, top 3,
Trophies?
possibly an appearance from a up-and-coming young rapper. So if all goes well and this thing stays consistent, there ain't a single soul here right now because it is kind of early. It's half past the monkey's ass, quarter to his balls, and
Well, it's just a team,
sorry,
yeah.
it's just a team and a couple others. We got, I mean, Tori's part of the team. She's with Leo, so technically that qualifies. Yeah, by default. Yeah, by default, you automatically are part of it if you date one of us, or vice versa. Yeah, so we're gonna have merch on display: hoodies, shirts, stickers, hats. We got some cool goodies for sale. Besides that carbon cam cover that Abby's for her motor, by the way, but it's cool. It's display. It's fine. Hopefully, these cars will move. We'll have some more space. So yeah.
All right.
If you're gonna see this when it comes out, thank you for watching.
So I'll show you guys what we got inside. We got the Hako inside today. Changing things out a little bit. We got Dave's RB powered S14. That's done and running. We've got Tyler's now. We gotta say Tyler's GTR. Tyler will be actually taking this GTR today. He bought this GTR from us, so this is now Tyler Hummel's GTR. Congrats, Tyler. We're happy for you, bro. Dante's fully built SR20. We got Frank's R33, which is almost done. And we've got another beautiful S13, a fully built SR20. This is for our friend Jacob. He's up in Massachusetts. Here's Jake's R33. That's actually started now. It is running, so this should be on the road this week. We've got the purple R33 GTR. And actually there's the motor, the power plant for this. Everything's fully assembled and put together now. This will be going on the car tomorrow. And of course our S14 track car, the RB powered track car. RB powered everything, let's just put it that way. But yeah, it should be a good time. We'll make sure we get as much as we can on video, so that way, you know, obviously it's going to be a little hectic, but we're going to try to do as much as we can so that everybody can have a good time with us. I know he's already started, man. You give him a microphone, forget it. Once you give him a mic, it's the end. All right, so it's not even 5 o'clock yet. People are starting to roll in, so we're really excited. We got a few Skylines here already. We got a couple more that we're expecting. Should be a great time. Catch you guys up with some of the cars that are already here, as you guys can see. But yeah, knowing that of course it's not even 5 o'clock yet and people are rolling in, we love it.
Just move down here.
We love it.
Look at this strip down there.
And there's a whole strip of cars all the way down there. You gotta move him up, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we got our food truck back there. We got some vendors over here. Look at this stuff. Oh, look at this stuff. That's what I'm talking about. Our boy John coming through with all the Japanese stuff. Yeah. Cool, man. Cars keep coming in. They just keep rolling in. People keep rolling in. We love it. We can't appreciate the support enough. Everybody's so cool. We love everybody that's been hanging out and coming over here supporting the cars. up, man? You're backing up right next to my car right there. Okay. Wait till he parks and just go straight up. He's coming in here. Yeah, I know. Straight. There's something you don't see every day. Oh, I spotted my wife's drone. She's already taken action. Look at her, she's already doing her thing. Let me see if I can get her drone here. There it is.
Left on the side of the road with that scooter. Hey guys, Japanese candy, Japanese soda, Japanese chips. All over here on top, right next to the motel tent. Get yourself there.
Delete the video! Take me off camera!
More and more people coming. You gotta love it. You have to love it. Can't thank everybody enough. This is awesome. Look at this. Look at this. The Miata gang. The Miata gang. You guys the Miata gang exclusive?
You're gonna win these 3 trophies.
I'm above my
I was like,
Is that fine?
yeah, as long as it's outside here.
It's right. Hey, I'm coming up with the video.
A1.
What's up, Reg? How you doing, bro?
Sorry, it's for YouTube. I have to get it.
That's so
Dad told me.
fine. Go ahead.
I kind of did a bad job. Okay, I'm so sorry. Wait, text it. I'll text you back. I promise.
Sounds like it went to the drag strip when they brought it.
Kendrick. Kendrick.
Dude, there you are. There he is, the man right here. The man turning everything. Look at this kid. Look at this kid.
Shout out to Neil. Hey, go tell Neil.
Neil.
Yeah, shout out to Neil.
Neil's crazy.
Nuts. Oh my! I didn't even know my car shop names like that.
That was nice.